Professor Ford here. Today I'd like to invite you into a hotel room and let's just see how clean it is. Follow me as we enter the room. Now we all use hotel rooms on business trips and special occasions and just for pleasure. When you're entering the room, you expect it to be clean. When you go to the bathroom, you expect the doorknob to be clean. When you use the restroom, you expect the toilet to be clean. Well, I can tell you that the toilet is probably one of the most cleanest items in the room because the housekeepers are trained to clean and disinfect this on a daily basis. But what about other items in the room? Let's go to the bedroom. What about the desk that we use? Would you expect the surface of the desk to be clean? I think so. Let me show you one item next to the bed. And it is the remote control. Now this item is very rarely cleaned and full of germs and bacteria. Let's do a test with my meter. So I'll take my meter, we'll swab the remote control, and we'll find out just how clean it is. Oh my God, this is absolutely disgusting. Before you go to your next hotel room, make sure you clean and sanitize that remote control. And ask yourself, is it clean?